Did you know, your eyes aren't just the windows to your soul? They're complex machines with nearly 2 million working parts. And speaking of unique, every human being carries an individual scent, as distinct as fingerprints. Moving on, the tongue isn't just for talking, it's also the fastest healing part of the body. And while we're on the topic of bodies, did you know yours contains a tiny treasure? Approximately 0.2 milligrams of gold? Ever wonder about the speed of a sneeze? It can rocket out at an impressive 99 miles per hour. And when it comes to memory games, females usually outshine males in remembering faces. Lastly, a sobering fact. By the year 2050, our oceans could contain more plastic than fish. Stick around. Many more fascinating facts await. Don't forget to subscribe.